Hello everyone. April 13th in the morning, zone 7 northeast of Atlanta. You can see that about half the garden is empty and the other half of it either has late spring or cool weather things left in it. But here's what's coming. These are the peppers that you saw in the earlier video that I started on paper towels, then moved to heated pans. Here's some of the tomatoes. Then there is the next round of peppers. I'm trying to really stagger them this year so that I don't have everything all at once, because the blights or weather can really mess you up. Here's some more peppers. And then here's still another round of peppers. Did I say I really like peppers? Here's some chamomile. There's some German chamomile. This is Roman chamomile here. Some spearmint. There's some basil, sure wishing it was in the ground. So we'll be getting all these things in the ground here in the next few days, particularly all these larger items that are just dying to get out of these pots. So now we're going to go in and see what we've got going under lights that will come about after. Well, God, these things are blooming already. Definitely time to get them in the ground. So we'll take a look and see what's in there under lights that's going to be coming out and replacing these guys. When we move inside here under lights, we find I've still got some things starting up here under the heat light because I can't get the eggplant to germinate, so we got to get some heat on them. There's some more tomatoes, and now we're starting to see a lot of flowers. Calendulas and black-eyed Susans, purple sage, and there's a few more peppers. Here is back here some calendulas from the yard. I've got my turmeric sprouting. You can see the ginger is sprouting. And then we back down even further and we come up with the true hot weather things getting started. The beginnings of the patty pan squash, zucchini squash, cucumbers, butternut, the fulju. We don't like really hot peppers, so but we like jalapenos, so we get those that don't have the heat. And then some more of the hot weather tomatoes get started. So we've got a whole lot of garden coming and a whole lot out there to get planted. So, and the new round of the lemongrass is sprouting like crazy and growing. You can always tell when it's growing because where you cut it, within 24 hours you'll have these little tubes get started. And then over here we have some more elderberries getting rooted. And then I nearly every winter do a little project of starting up some cactus. I just love cactus, so I got a bunch of them coming along. But the important stuff here is the garden. I got lots of normal sweet potatoes. This is one of these white sweet potatoes, white meat sweet potatoes. We had a couple the other day. They were just outstanding. So I snatched one of them. They're organic, and there's a little sprout starting right there. I am so happy. I want this thing to sprout and see if we can grow these white meat sweet potatoes here. So there's your quick update on where the garden is. April 13th in the morning, zone 7 northeast of Atlanta. A ton of work to do, but the soil temperatures are right and the plants are at a good size. So if you like these videos, please subscribe. I'll try and show you what we're doing here and show you not only the good things, but show you the things that don't work so well, so we can all kind of learn together. Thank you for watching.